The history of nuclear weapons can be traced back to the early 20th century, when scientists began to study the possibility of harnessing the power of the atom. In 1905, Albert Einstein published his theory of special relativity, which showed that mass and energy are equivalent. This theory laid the foundation for the development of nuclear weapons. In the 1930s, scientists in Germany and the United States began to race to develop the first nuclear bomb. The Germans were motivated by their desire to win World War II, while the Americans were motivated by their fear that the Germans would develop the bomb first. In 1942, the United States launched the Manhattan Project, a top-secret program to develop the atomic bomb. The project was led by General Leslie Groves and J. Robert Oppenheimer, a physicist. The Manhattan Project employed over 130,000 people and cost over $2 billion. On July 16, 1945, the first nuclear bomb was detonated at the Trinity test site in New Mexico. The bomb was codenamed the Gadget. It was a plutonium implosion bomb, which is the most common type of nuclear bomb. On August 6, 1945, the United States dropped an atomic bomb on the Japanese city of Hiroshima. The bomb killed an estimated 80,000 to 140,000 people. 3 days later, on August 9, 1945, the United States dropped a second atomic bomb on the Japanese city of Nagasaki. The bomb killed an estimated 40,000 to 80,000 people. The atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki led to the surrender of Japan and the end of World War II. However, the bombings also ushered in a new era of fear and uncertainty. The world was now aware of the destructive power of nuclear weapons, and the threat of nuclear war loomed large. In the years since World War II, the United States and the Soviet Union engaged in a Cold War arms race, each side developing more and more powerful nuclear weapons. At the height of the Cold War, the two superpowers had enough nuclear weapons to destroy the world several times over. The end of the Cold War in 1991 brought with it a reduction in the number of nuclear weapons in the world. However, nuclear weapons remain a major threat to global security. Today, there are an estimated 13,400 nuclear weapons in the world, of which 90% are owned by the United States and Russia. The history of nuclear weapons is a sobering one. It is a reminder of the destructive power of these weapons and the dangers of nuclear proliferation. It is also a reminder of the importance of working to reduce the number of nuclear weapons in the world and to prevent their use.